Hi everyone, welcome to this Diamond Cutter Wisdom newsletter. My name is Tian, and today I'm happy that I'm going to share with you the topic of both kind of success. So both kind of success also have a meaning of having inner and outer success. And what is the outer success? So first, we are having a financial freedom, so we no need to worry about the money. So in the second one, we find our soulmate. It means that we are successfully having a perfect partner. And the third one is, so we have a youthful energy. So imagine these three. We have a successful financial, so we no need to worry about the money, and we want to share it with the people that we love, and then we enjoy it because we have youthful energy. So this is outer success. So what about the inner success? So the inner success, it means that we have a peaceful mind. At this thing, peaceful mind, I can give you an example that there is some people in this world that actually they have the three kind of success, which is the outer success. They are having the abundance of wealth in their life, and they're having a beautiful relationship, beautiful family, and they also have a very youthful energy. But the problem is they are not happy. So it's very sad, right? Because they are depressed and they just not happy. There's a lot of worry in their life. So from this kind of inner and outer success, so we can say that it is important to have both kind of success in our life. In fact, having this both kind of success is actually like a balance in our life. So it is an important thing that we want to learn how to get it. But in this principle, it's not only both kind of success that we can get. In fact, what if there is a way to get your own success and automatically got success for everyone around you at the same time? Isn't it an ultimate happiness in our life that we can having a success? Not only one person, not only me, myself, but at the same time, I also can create a successful environment. It means I make everyone around me also having a successful life. Both kind of success. So I guess I just come to the end of a news video. So I think I want to invite you on June. There will be a workshop about diamond cutter. We're going to learn this very profound system, how to create success in our life, both kind of success. At the same time, we create our environment also the same way, a success life. So welcome to joining, and happy that you are watching this newsletter. I hope it will be very useful for you, and then see you again.